So friends, welcome back to the part 4 of DNS tutorial. Here we will discuss about how can we take backup of DNS server and how can we restore that backup. So let's start. Before starting or taking backup, we have to make sure that our DNS is standalone DNS or AD integrated DNS, because in both the kind of DNSs we have to adopt a different process for taking backup and restoring that. So first of all, we are starting with standalone DNS. So I have a machine in which standalone DNS is installed. This server one has a operating system Windows Server 2012, and here you're watching a DNS server which is a standalone DNS actually. So how can we take backup of this DNS server and how can we restore? It's very simple actually. We need to take a backup of a single file, that is a file of the zone. Like here you're watching, I have a zone abc.com, so there must be a file by this name. And what is the default location for that? Just check it. This is the default location. I'm in C drive or any of the system drive, that may be other drive also. So in my case that is C drive, then Windows, System32 and DNS folder. At this location I have a zone file abc.com.dns. so all that what I need to do is I need to take backup of this file, and if I could do that, then I can restore my zone. Like I'm just copying it to a different location, and after that I will delete this particular zone. So I'm deleting it from here. Here you're watching the zone has been deleted. So what next I have to do, if I have to restore that, then I will copy that file from the location where I have stored to this particular location. So in my case it is already there. So now how can I restore using this file? I will create a zone. I want to restore it. So for that I need to create a zone, new zone, then next, then which kind of zone you want to create. I want to create a primary zone. Next, then what is the name of the zone? abc.com. Here you need to focus over here. Like if I want to create a new zone without having existing data, then I need to select this option, create a new file. And if I have to restore the existing data, then I need to select this option, use the existing file. So this must be the file name abc.com.dns, and this must be stored at the default location. In my case it is already stored. If it is not stored, or if it is stored somewhere at other location at other machine, then I need to copy it from there to this location, and then I will click next and finish. So here you're watching, it has been restored. Fine. So this was the way to restore or to taking backup of your standalone DNS. Now if your DNS is not standalone but this is AD integrated, then in that case what can we do? I'm going to a different machine, and this one has a DNS server which is AD integrated. You're watching here, there are different zones created over here, and one zone is orange.com, that is AD integrated zone. So if I have to take backup of this zone, what I will do, actually in case of AD integrated, the data of the DNS is distributed to different DNS server which are available in the domain. So in that case we have to export this data to a zone file. And what is the default location of this zone file where this file will be created? That is the same as in case of standalone. You're watching here your system drive, then Windows System32 DNS, and over here the zone file will be created. Right now there is no file by this zone name orange.com. So how can we export the zone data to this file? Just check it. I'm going to PowerShell for that. So I'm going to PowerShell, and for that I need to use the tool DNS CMD, then zone export, then the name of the zone, like the name is orange.com here, and to which file you have to export the zone data. So I'm using the file name orange.com.dns. However, you can use any other name also, but the extension should be DNS, and I'm using the same name as the my zone name. It will be easy to remember you, it will be easy to identify. So I'm pressing enter. It has been created. Just check it whether it really has been created or not. Yes, it has been created. Fine. So now I can take backup of this file to any different location as per requirement, and whenever I have to restore that DNS, I have to copy that backup to this particular location. For example, if my DNS server is absolutely new and I want to restore this data over there, then I need to install the DNS role, and then at this particular location I need to copy this file. Okay, but if in case like where accidentally my zone data is deleted, so how can we restore that? Either the zone is deleted or I'm restoring to the different location, to the new machine. So the method is same. So I'm just showing you how can we restore. However, you can use the same method for restoring, like first of all I'm deleting it. Where is that? Yeah, delete. So I'm deleting this zone. It has been deleted. Fine. So now I can restore using the same method as standalone. Like I will create a new zone and then I will use the existing file. But I have a DNS CMD option to create or to restore that zone also. So I'm using the same command over here, DNS CMD zone add the zone name, and I want to make it primary, and what is the name of the file? That was orange.com.dns. fine, and then I need to use load over here. The importance of load attribute is that if I will not use the load attribute, then it will create a new file by the name orange.com.dns, and the existing file will be overwritten, and in that case there will be no restoring of existing data. Fine. So if you want to restore the existing file, then load is must to use over here. So I'm pressing enter. It has been successfully restored. I'm refreshing it. So just check it. All the resource records are available over here. It means it has been restored. So this was the way to restore your standalone and Active Directory integrated DNS. I hope that will be interesting for you. Thanks for watching.